When you search for a foldable drone with GPS return home and follow me mode, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims, same glossy photos. But to understand which one actually delivers on those promises, especially when you're flying over a lake or hiking in the mountains, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Dazzlin P100. Let's start with the Dazzlin P100. This one caught my eye because it's under $130, weighs just 210 grams, and comes with a built-in 4.5-inch screen on the remote. No phone needed. If you want a beginner-friendly drone that's easy to carry and doesn't require FAA registration, this is worth a serious look. The 2K EIS camera with a motorized lens means you can tilt the view remotely, and the electronic stabilization keeps footage smooth even in light wind. With dual batteries giving up to 40 minutes of flight time and GPS plus optical flow positioning, it hovers steadily both indoors and out. The 5G FPV transmission gives you a solid live feed right on that big remote screen, which honestly feels more reliable than connecting to your phone. Now some people complained about the lack of 4K video. And yeah, it's only 2K here's the thing though. For casual users or travelers who want crisp footage without breaking the bank, 2K with EIS is actually plenty good. Plus, the foldable design and included case make it super travel-friendly. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or weekend adventurer who wants reliable GPS return and follow me without spending over $200. Skip this one if you're chasing cinematic 4K quality or flying in strong winds regularly. For the price, it's a solid value. Product number 2, Karuisrc 2K Auto Follow. Now, if the Dazzlin's 2K camera felt limiting, this Karuisrc model steps up with better tracking features, but at double the price. Priced at $253, it still keeps the 4.5-inch screen on the controller and adds AL Track and Orbit mode, which locks onto subjects more intelligently than basic Follow Me. However, it only shoots 1080p video, which feels outdated when other drones at half the price offer 4K. Some buyers also mention the Wi-Fi transmission can lag slightly compared to 5G models. Here's the thing though, if you care more about smooth subject tracking than ultra-high resolution, the Orbit mode and responsive GPS make this great for vloggers or hikers who want cinematic circling shots. This is perfect for you if you prioritize smart flight modes over raw video quality and don't mind paying extra for better tracking. Skip this one if you want 4K footage or are on a tight budget. There are better value options below. Product number 3, LAKSAKI EC120. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for most people, the LAKSAKI EC120. At $139, it delivers 4K UHD video, a 110 degrees wide-angle adjustable lens, and 5G FPV transmission for smooth, low-latency streaming. The brushless motor handles wind well, and it's still under 250 grams. The GPS auto-return works reliably in low battery or signal loss, and Follow Me mode tracks movement smoothly. Now, some users noted the app can be a bit clunky to set up initially. Here's the thing though, once it's connected, performance is rock solid, and the video quality genuinely surprised me for under $150. This is perfect for you if you want true 4K footage, long flight time, and strong GPS features without overspending. Skip this one if you absolutely need a screen on the remote, you'll have to use your phone. But for pure value and performance, this is a standout. Product number 4, Govagork F180. Now, if obstacle avoidance is a big concern for you, especially flying around trees or buildings, the Govagork F180 adds a rare feature at this price, auto obstacle avoidance. It's $125, shoots 4K video, and includes a 4.5-inch remote screen. The detachable sensor helps prevent crashes, and optical flow keeps it stable indoors. Flight time is decent at 22 minutes per charge. But here's the catch, the avoidance system isn't 360-degree, it only works forward, so you still need to be careful when flying backward or sideways. Some buyers also said the orange color makes it harder to see in bright sky. Here's the thing though, for beginners nervous about crashing, that front-facing sensor adds real peace of mind. This is perfect for you if you're new to drones and want extra safety features without spending $300+. Skip this one if you need full omnidirectional avoidance or plan to fly in complex environments often. Product number 5, Swang RC X9. Finally, the Swang RC X9, another sub-$130 drone with 4K camera, GPS return and follow me mode. It includes gesture control and 3D flips, which are fun for social media clips. The modular battery design makes swapping easy and the foldable body is compact. However, flight time is only 18 minutes and there's no screen on the remote, you must use your phone. Here's the thing though, if you're okay using your phone and want playful features like flips and gesture selfies, this is a fun, budget-friendly pick. This is perfect for you if you're a casual flyer who loves sharing quick aerial clips and doesn't need long flight sessions. Skip this one if you hate phone apps or fly far from your launch point. So which one should you get? The Dazzlin P100 is great for beginners who want simplicity and a screen. The Karuis RC excels in tracking but costs more and lacks 4K. The LAKSAKI EC120 offers the best overall balance of 4K, flight time and price. The Gavagork F180 adds safety with obstacle avoidance, and the Swang RC X9 is the most playful but shortest on flight time. Think about what matters most to you and pick accordingly.